Okay, there are some changes coming to real estate, so we called in an expert to break it all down for us.
Tricia Lee has been named one of the top 5 black real estate agents in Brooklyn, and now she's starring in the new Netflix series. It's called Owning Manhattan. Tricia, how are you? Well, we're happy that you're here, especially during this week, because there are some new rules when it comes to brokers and fees and all those things. Why don't you clear that up for us?
So many changes happening this Saturday. NAR settlement has put some new changes into place for all real estate brokers.
Okay.
Mostly everything outside of New York City is being heavily affected. The things that I think sellers need to understand and home buyers need to understand are things are more clear now. So there are agreements with buyers brokers. So when someone is representing you as a buyer's agent, there's a clarification there. Also for the seller, they have more control because they're also have so much power in negotiating. You know, the commissions that they're paying to their agents, but more importantly, controlling where those commissions and how they're divided. So making sure the buyer's agent is being paid a certain amount and the seller's agent is being paid a certain amount.
Hiding all that stuff
everything is
secretly,
clear.
which is what they've been doing.
Everything is clear.
Okay, great. Well, we have a lot of viewers who want to use your expertise. So first up is Caitlin, who has a question for you.
Okay.
I'm a single woman without children, and I always assumed I would purchase my first home with either a spouse or a partner, but I've already saved enough to make a generous down payment on my own, and I think I'm really ready to settle some roots here in the Brooklyn area. I've already determined with the bank the best budget moving forward, but I desperately need help from someone who really knows the New York City real estate market. What are 3 things that I could do to prepare myself to purchase my first apartment?
Ooh, how exciting.
We love it.
Yes, first of all, yes, I love women buying homes before they find their partner because it does cost you more money to wait until you find your partner to buy your home. So yes, I love that. The other thing is, I always say this, like cash is king. Figure out how much money you have. It seems like she's already saved really good, but the more you have, the better the terms are going to be for you. You know, credit is queen, though. You know, so the better your credit is, the higher your credit score is. Again, the better mortgage terms you're going to get. That's very, very important. And then you really want to manage your debt to income ratio now before you're going into the market, because when it comes time to get in front of either an underwriting team at your mortgage bank or even like a condo board, everyone's looking at what you've been doing these last 6 months.
Yeah.
So manage that debt to income ratio. Keep it low.
Great.
All right, we've got Crystal. She's got a question for you, Tricia.
I'm a single mom of 3 kids with an elderly mother who lives with us. Behind me is my 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split-level home that's in really good condition but largely unrenovated. With a budget of $57,000, my question is, what is the best aesthetic renovation that would add value to my home?
God, I like her. That's a great question.
And I love the home. Okay, best aesthetic. I would say the best investment is definitely anything foundational. That's your roof, that's your mechanicals, that's your flooring. But if we're going into aesthetics, I'm going to say kitchen and bath every time.
Yeah. Because people walk in, they want a great-looking kitchen, they want a great bathroom.
Yeah, and they can really visualize so much more, but that kitchen and bath pulls us.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, finally, Tammy has a question.
I'm single and recently retired, and I relocated from Texas to Georgia. I sold my home in Texas, and I'm currently in a short-term rental. The only thing is, the rental properties in Georgia are more money than my former mortgage payments in Texas. I prefer not to take on a 30-year mortgage, but given my situation, is it better to rent or buy?
So, renting versus buying.
It really depends on what you want to commit to. First of all, congratulations on your retirement, but it depends on what you want to commit to and the overhead. So renting and buying, you're going to have to really list out for yourself where you're going in the market, what your expenses are going to be, carrying charges and all for the purchase, as well as the renting. And if you feel like you're going to be sitting tight for a while, those numbers will tell you exactly what you need to do. And if you just sold your home, my guess is that you probably have a good amount of cash to work with, and you can help to lower those monthly expenses with that purchase. Those are the 2 things you want to compare.
That's super smart. You're awesome, Tricia.
Tricia. Who's watching? Your mother and who else?
My mother, my Aunt Lillian. Hello.
Hi, Mom. Okay, make sure we got a hello. You can catch Tricia in Owning Manhattan streaming now on Netflix.
Coming up.